Okay, I was busy replacing this mirror with a Doorman mirror that I got for pretty cheap. I had cracked my glass at one point, and anyway, you do not need to take the mirror off of the 4Runner to do this. There are, let's see, yeah, all right, two slots here that you slide into it and then basically press down, and it snaps in. There's two little snaps right here and here. So slide in and then push down to bugs to snap it in. Now if you push the mirror to here, you can kind of see up into the guts. And what I had to do is basically take a screwdriver and hold the white plastic and kind of push the white plastic. Let's see if this films. Push down in here and push the white plastic up, if that makes sense, on the two tabs. It wasn't too much pressure, be careful. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that this comes off. This is the heated unit, 2000 to 2002, I believe. And I bought and accidentally bought a 99 unit, which did not have the correct wiring. So anyhow, also this piece right here, if you do have to take the mirror all the way off, is basically a press fit, and you just need to pry that out, and when you're installing it back in, give it a hearty push. The plastic that surrounds that, the head of the screw, will basically bend or break. So anyway, just something quick to let you know the tricks of the trade. Bye.